Encountering a no internet connection message on your Xumo Box can be frustrating. This error typically stems from issues with your Wi Fi, DNS settings, or captive portals common on public Wi Fi. The first step is to restart your equipment. Power cycle your Xumo Box, modem, and router. This often resolves temporary glitches. Second, check your Wi Fi connection. Ensure your Xumo Box is connected to the correct Wi Fi network and that the signal strength is adequate. Try moving the Xumo Box closer to the router to rule out signal issues. Third, verify your internet service provider status. Confirm that your ISP isn't experiencing an outage. Check their website or contact customer support. If the problem persists after these initial steps, it is likely due to DNS issues or captive portal issues, which we will cover in the next section. If restarting your equipment didn't fix the no internet connection error, the issue likely lies with DNS settings or a captive portal. Your Xumo Box uses DNS servers to translate website addresses into IP addresses. If your ISP's DNS servers are unreliable, switch to a public DNS server like Google's 8.88.8 and 88.4 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1. When connecting to public Wi-Fi, a captive portal often requires login through a web page. Since Xumo Boxes can't always handle this, use a smartphone or laptop to connect and authenticate, then restart your Xumo Box. Some newer Xumo firmware includes a built-in portal detector.